Okay guys, this is Mr. Rafapa again from Somel PSA Tutoring Academy. I'm here having Prelim 2023 Gauteng Province. We're starting yet again with first principle differentiation. Remember, our consistent method is that we must first find what? We must first find our f of x plus h. So our f of x plus h is 3x plus h squared minus 6. I'm telling you, if you watch all the 4 videos, there's no way this section will be a problem to you. 3x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 6. So 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 6. So that is our f of x plus h. So the differentiation equals to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h, which is 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 6. Then we minus f of x, which is 3x squared minus 6. 3x squared minus 6 over h. Limit as h approaches 0, 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 6. This times this is minus 3x squared plus 6 divided by h. Therefore, what cancels what? What cancels what? I'm left with only terms that have h on them. That is 6xh plus 3h squared over h. Common factor time. Common factor time. I'm left with 6x plus 3h over h. This cancels out. Then I'm left with limit as h approaches 0 of 6x plus 3h. Therefore, I'm substituting 6x plus 3 of 0. The answer is 6x, of which if I go and derive this times this is going to be 6x. This is 0. So the answer must be 6x. That is my answer. The dy dx, guys, determine the derivative of that. So that is 4.2. 4.2. They want the derivative of 2 square root of x minus 1 over x squared, of which this is the same as 2 square root of x, or maybe we can just remove the square root and say 1 over 2 minus 1 over x. We multiply this by 2x, 1 over 2 minus 1 over x, because it's squared. So this is like a FOIL method. 2 times 2 is 4. X half, x to the power of half times x to the power of half is x to the power of 1, because of, remember, when you multiply powers of the same base, you must add exponents, which is half plus half plus half. This one must give you 1. All right, so I may just remove it. Therefore, this times this times this is going to be, is it minus? Yes, minus 2x 1 over 2 over x. This times this is also the same, is minus 2x 1 over 2 over x. Remember, when you multiply a fraction with a single term, you always multiply the single term with the numerator. So 1 times that, I just put this as a numerator, divide by the denominator, which is x. Then this times this is plus 1 over x squared. Like terms. So these two guys are like terms. The middle ones, they are like terms. So 4x. So this is minus 2 of the same thing. So this is like minus 4x. Minus 4x 1 over 2 over x plus 1 over x squared. Therefore, I have a problem here and here because the variables are denominators. So 4x, so here they are dividing each other. So it's going to be minus 4. 1, it's a half minus 1. So it's going to be minus 1 over 2. Half minus 1 is minus half. So plus this going up is going to be x minus 2. So now I can derive now. So f of prime is going to be, the derivative of this is 4. This times this, 4 times half is positive 2x. So it's minus half minus 1. Minus half minus 1. It's minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. Then this times this is minus 2x minus 3. So that is your final answer right there. And then here they want what? They want us to find the concave up. 4.3. 4.3. They say what? 3x cubed minus 3x squared. 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 plus 6x minus 2. So this is a third degree function. A is positive. That means this is how the shape must look like. It's an increasing function. So for us to do the concave up, we must find the point of inflection, of which that side is up, this side is down. So they want the side that is up. So I must derive this twice. Let me see. So this is f of x. This is f of x. So I must find f of prime x. This times this is 9x squared. This times this is minus 6x plus 6. Then I derive it again. This is 18x minus 6. Then I equate this to 0. 18x minus 6. The 6 comes the other side. 18x divided by 18 on both sides. So x equals to 6 over 18. 6 over 18, that is 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So 1 over 3, this is it. This is 1 over 3. So the side that is concave up is greater than 1 over 3. So you can say therefore x must be greater than 1 over 3. This is concave up. Thank you so much, guys. So I'm going to send this document to the group of my learners. After having watched these videos, you can attempt the free state.